Before you commit to ExpressVPN, there are a few key things you need to know. In this video, we'll cover 12 important points to help you decide if it's the right choice for you, whether you're new to VPNs or comparing it to other options like NordVPN or CyberGhost. First, let's talk about the speed. ExpressVPN is known for its fast and consistent speeds across its servers. Unlike some competitors, it doesn't sacrifice speed for security, making it a strong choice if you stream content or game online. Next thing, let's discuss server network. With over 3,000 servers in 94 countries, ExpressVPN has one of the largest networks available. It gives you plenty of options to bypass geo restrictions and secure your connection wherever you are. The third thing is security. ExpressVPN uses AES 256 encryption, which is the gold standard in the industry. While some VPNs might offer weaker protection, ExpressVPN's military-grade security is a reliable choice for anyone looking to keep their data private. The fourth thing you should consider is the no logs policy. ExpressVPN has a strict no logs policy, which means they don't store your browsing data. They've even undergone independent audits to verify this, so it's a step ahead of some competitors that claim privacy but haven't been audited. Moving on, ExpressVPN is also great for unblocking content. It can access Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, and many other streaming services, making it a top choice for anyone who wants to access content from different countries. Not all VPNs can reliably unblock streaming platforms, but ExpressVPN excels here. The sixth thing to consider is ease of use. Whether you're using it on your desktop, mobile, or router, ExpressVPN is one of the most user-friendly VPNs on the market. It's simple to install and intuitive to navigate, compared to some other VPNs that require more technical knowledge. The seventh thing is split tunneling. With this feature, you can choose which apps use the VPN and which ones don't. This is useful if you want to access local content while using a VPN for other apps, offering a level of flexibility that some competitors lack. Next thing, let's talk about the pricing. ExpressVPN is on the higher end of the pricing spectrum, which might make you hesitate if you're on a tight budget. However, if you're willing to pay a bit more for top-tier performance and security, it's worth the investment. The ninth thing to know is their support. ExpressVPN offers 24/7 live chat support, which is a big plus. If you run into any issues, you can get help in real time. Not all VPNs have such responsive support, which can be a deal breaker if you need assistance quickly. The 10th point is the device compatibility. ExpressVPN works on nearly every device, including Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, Linux, and even routers. This wide compatibility is a huge advantage over competitors that don't support as many platforms. The 11th thing is the pricing model. While ExpressVPN's monthly plan is quite expensive, the longer-term plans, 6 months and 12 months, offer substantial discounts, which makes it more affordable in the long run. However, this is something to consider when choosing between different providers. Finally, ExpressVPN's 30-day money-back guarantee ensures you can try it risk-free. If you're not satisfied, you can get your money back, so there's no harm in testing it out. This is a better return policy than many other VPNs on the market. All things considered, ExpressVPN is a solid choice if you're looking for speed, security, and ease of use. It's a premium VPN that holds its own against competitors. But if you're looking for a better option, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free. It may offer better value and additional features, and you'll find a link in the description below.